Commissioner Ministry y'ebyamagara arikujunanizibwa reproductive hamwe na infant health Dr. Richard Mugahi kandi wabari omugyenyi mukuru nagira ngo abazire tebariko basomba zogu abwe beyi yago kuba nyinji
Bw'Omubazi itwe nka ministry twatangire kugugura konka ntwetega ho sente batwongera ka sente tugugure doze emwe negura miliyoni emwe muri Mbabara pharmacy gurimu konko muntu waburijo takugubasa.
Dr. Kumba Elias omukugumbya abana arikora pediatrics hamwe na child health ari Amarwariro yashobora ntekateka yokumbekaniye neto intensive care unit ekijaho mu 2016 bwanyuma y'abana bo kuzarwa kutandika kuweyongera Amarwariro. Wabahati kurugira Dr. Kumba abana bari kuzarwa bari kwika kinana nibo bari kureberwa buri izoba ari Mbabara Regional Referral Hospital.
From what we initially had as 2-3 babies, then 10, 20, 30, 40. Right now, we are in a very squeezed space. We have on average about 80 babies on a daily basis. As I speak now, there are about 79 in the ward. And they are all very, very crowded, 3, 4, 5 babies on the same bed.
Nagira ngo bahati niwetenga bananso bo kwikigana kurebera abana bo kuzarwa akugira ngo bahati bini banansi 8 kandi bashata hari yabo na government.
Right now we should say that we have only 8 nurses. 3 of them are supported by the government and 5 of them are supported by the different projects that we write. And that means that 8 nurses alone cannot run that unit, and that's where we need the most urgent help.
Neonatal intensive care unit yombekirwa referral neza kuhera Amarwariro agetorira abana abo kuzarwa Batahikire nari abo kuzarwa bino buremezi. Dr. Mugahi yashobora abantu ngo bine kucuma yango no mwana wazarwa Batahikire ntabasa gukora je.
Science ninga obuhereza bo kureba ngo abana nabazarwa Batahikire ntubasa ko bato mu incubator tubato mu byoma tubarise tubanywise bakure twachendeze myaka ya definition ya abortion.
Na usikatishwa muzire kano wazira umwana Batahikire yasima bashaha umurimo gubakora kurebwa ngo abana bo kuzarwa Batahikire bakora je akwe cyo kureberaho cyo mwana we.
Midwives, gynecologists tubasima akuba nimwe mwatandikira umurimo. For example, nyowe nkafuna condition yiba mbeta oligohydramnios kunagira umusikani bagira ngo amizgo kuzo mwana munda tgachirumu. The only option was to remove the baby.
Ariko ranka mukuru w'irwaro rya Mbabara Regional Referral DSTCJ yasima government abo bahereza kurebuka ngo abantu batunga ubuwizi by'amagara.
Our beloved permanent secretary and her director general plus all of us under them. They have strategically worked towards the improvement of the patient care, and indeed it is very, very visible.
Buri biro 17 byo ku 11 buri mwaka amahanga gona negajaguza abana Batahikire omukoro gwo kujaguza abana Mbabara Regional Referral yagukorera izo bacaye cyambara University of Science and Technology. Abwa tayari Western Susan Alinumikisa umuri Mbabara.
And 0 1 maturity